Grabe ang ulan here sa Riyadh, guys. Yan. Winter now in Riyadh. See this one? Ice.
Ha?
Oh, ice ball. This one. Too much ice, this one. See?
Kaya na, pabidyo mo kami sa likod ang dami yelo.
Meron me?
Meron, ito na sa bibig.
Binaw.
Natunaw na yung ice. Wala nang yelo. Sa Riyadh. Ayun, no?
See that? Ice ball. So cold now here in Riyadh. It's been 2 weeks. It's raining. And now it's ice ball. Even may camera. Fog.